Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and computer. This matters because a proper restore needs power and a stable connection. First, check model and iOS, then plug the device into the computer. Once connected, open Finder or iTunes and put the iPhone into recovery mode. Press and hold the correct buttons for your model until recovery appears. This forces the computer to recognize the device for a full restore, which bypasses on device settings tied to an Apple ID. Once the device is in recovery mode, select it in Finder or iTunes and choose Restore. This erases the phone and installs a fresh iOS image. If asked to download firmware, allow it. This can take several minutes depending on file size and connection speed. Make sure the transfer completes. The app will verify and reinstall the system. Do not unplug or interrupt power, because incomplete restores can leave the phone in a non-booting state that needs reattempting. After the restore completes, you'll go through the Setup Assistant. Setup is new to avoid reintroducing old data. If activation lock appears and asks for an Apple ID, that indicates Find My Activation Lock remains. You must supply the original credentials or contact Apple with ownership proof to remove it. If the restore fails, try DFU mode, use another USB cable or port, or a different computer. These steps resolve most errors and get you back to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.